In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set folder permissions in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control who can view, edit, or manage a folder and everything inside it, so your designs stay organized and secure. Before we start, a quick heads up. Full folder sharing and granular permission settings are primarily available on Canva Pro, Teams, or Enterprise plans. If you're on a free plan, you'll see more limited options, and some menus may look different. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and confidently. Begin on the Canva homepage. Look over to the left-hand panel and click Projects. Depending on your account, this may also appear as folders. This is your central hub for organizing designs, brand assets, and shared resources. Take a moment to locate the exact folder you want to manage. If you have many, use the search bar or sort by recently edited to find it quickly. When you've found the right folder, hover your cursor over it. You'll see an icon with 3 dots appear. Click those 3 dots to open more options, then choose Share or Share Folder. This brings up the sharing panel, where all permission controls live. Now add the people or teams who need access. In the field provided, type the email addresses of the collaborators you want to include. If you're part of a Canva team, you can also pick teammates directly from the suggestions list, which helps avoid typos and ensures you're sharing with the right people. After you add each person or team, look for a small drop-down next to their name. That's where you'll set what they can do. Choose the permission level that matches their role. Can View lets them see the folder's contents, but not make changes to designs. This is ideal for stakeholders who just need to review. Can Edit gives them the ability to open and modify designs within the folder, which suits collaborators actively producing content. Can Edit and Share allows them to edit and also reshare the folder with others, which is helpful for managers or leads who coordinate access for a wider group. Take a moment to confirm each person has the appropriate level before moving on. When everything looks right, click Share or Send Invitation to apply those permissions. Your collaborators will receive a notification inside Canva, and in many cases an email, letting them know they now have access. That's it. With these settings in place, you maintain control, reduce accidental edits, and keep your creative workflow running smoothly.